Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss salient features of Consumer Protection Bill 2015. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 is one of the most significant laws in India that protects the consumer right. However, with the changing time and advancement of technology, this act is not at par with the time, and also its procedure is very slow. Therefore, to address these problems and increase the rights of consumers, a new Consumer Protection Bill 2015 has been introduced in the Parliament. The bill, designed to narrow some of the gaps with regard to protection of consumer rights, such as time taken in resolving the disputes and ability to reach to the manufacturers for product liability, to curb the misleading advertisements, etc. So, in the subsequent slides, some significant features of the new bill are discussed. The first one, that is, enhance the pecuniary jurisdiction. The new bill of 2015 proposed to increase the pecuniary jurisdiction of the district, state, as well as national commission. At present, the upper limit of district forum is 20 lakhs. Recommended to increase to rupees 50 lakhs or 3 times of the existing limit. Next, fixed time period to resolve the issue. Filing a complaint in the consumer forum or commission is equivalent to physical as well as mental harassment, as it is a lengthy and time-taking process. Therefore, the new bill recommended that the commission's forums need to be disposed of the complaint within 3 months of time from the date of the receipt of notice by the opposite party. However, in case where the commodity requires any sort of testing or analysis, then the time period is given, that is 5 months. Further, the bill explains that the commissions are required to decide the complaint on the basis of affidavits, the supporting documents, and other evidence filed before it. The oral hearing is only allowed in a condition when a special cause is shown to exist. However, the reasons for allowing such request need to be recorded in writing. Next, jurisdiction for filing a complaint. If there are more than one parties and living in different jurisdictional region, in such a condition it is difficult to file a complaint. However, the bill recommended that in such a case the complainant can file the complaint in any of the commissions where one of the opposite parties resides, or before the commission where the complainant himself resides or personally works for gain. For example, suppose a person, Mr. Y, lives in Noida. He purchased a mixture juicer in Delhi and he found that the product mixture juicer is defective. The manufacturer of mixture juicer is a Faridabad based company. In such a case, there is issue of jurisdictions, that is, after all, where to file the case, as there are multiple jurisdictions, but the new bill 2015 proposed to file in any of the jurisdiction as convenient for the complainant. Next, increase the sphere of product liability. The bill has recommended to increase the liability of a manufacturer or producer and even a product seller in certain specified circumstances, such as a personal injury, death, or property damage caused to a consumer resulting from defects in manufacture, construction, design, preparation, assembly, testing, service, warning, instruction, packaging or labeling, and marketing of any product. Next, increase the penalty for any frivolous complaint. The bill also recommended to increase the penalty from rupees 10,000 to rupees 50,000 for filing a frivolous complaint. It will minimize the baseless and false complaints. Next, Constitution of Circuit Bench. The bill proposed to constitute the circuit bench in order to facilitate faster disposal of complaints. Next, Constitution of Investigating Body. The bill proposed to establish an investigating, prosecuting, reviewing, and recommending body with the name the Central Consumer Protection Authority, that is Central Authority, headed by a commissioner. One of the most significant features as proposed by the bill is the Central Authority would have the right to launch inquiry either on a complaint or direction given by the government or even suo motu. That is, it can launch inquiry on its own in reference to the violations of consumer rights, and also to launch prosecution in an appropriate court. Last but not the least, give power to review own orders. The bill recommended to provide power to the District Commission and the State Commission to review their own orders, especially in a case when there is an error apparent on the face of it. Likewise, the Consumer Protection Bill 2015 recommended to augment the sphere of commissions, provide more ease to consumers, increase the liability of manufacturers and traders, and strengthen the Consumer Protection Act by increasing the existing power as well as adding some new relevant powers as discussed above.